What's up everybody, Stixx Picks here, back with another video. Today, we're at the flea market, trying to make money of course. Let's see what we find. How much are you asking on the games? $1. Thank you. I will buy this one game. I'll pay $5 for it, and I can sell it. I saw upwards of $30 at the sale. It doesn't have the manual on it, so I'll probably get 20 to 25. That's weird. We got another Spider-Man game literally instantly. I don't even care for these games, you know. So I just bought them back to back. It's a pretty clean disc too. I didn't even look it up yet. I just bought it. There's no way the PlayStation 4 version of a Spider-Man game isn't gonna sell just like this PS3 one, right? Oh wow, okay, I was actually wrong. Dang, all right, yeah, this is a cheap Spider-Man game. It's fine, we'll still make money on it. I just thought it was even more. It's about $15 or so. Yeah, there's still money on there, not as much, so I think this one's gonna make me a little more money. How much are you asking on this keyboard?
$1.
All right, those are $1 sale pretty early, guys. I'll buy something like this for $1. Random things. Some shoes.
$1 cada pieza. $1 lo que le gusta. ¿Sí?
There's probably some more stuff at that $1 sale, but I just couldn't find nothing else. I mean, I found some things that sold for like 15. Not super consistent, but I paid $1 and was able to sell 15. That's pretty well. I'm gonna get this though. We got 4 quarters.
Sure.
Thank you. It's a smash bag though. Paid $1. I think I could get like freaking $20 for it. I think I saw maybe 25, but it's like new in here, so not too bad, not too bad. I'm not sure what else we're gonna find here today. Looks like everybody's like pretty much set up at this point, and I found what I found. I mean, I might be able to go through a $1 sale and get some more sales from there. $1 on this?
No, just everything.
Oh, okay, okay. How much on this?
I thought you got at least $3.
All right. Twin pack. Yeah, the twin pack.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure we need that. I don't know though. I'm gonna go make sure. I'm not exactly sure what this is worth. I got it. I'm pretty sure it's about 25 though, but I'm not exactly sure. Should be about $25 though. Oh, they got a bunch of consoles.
Yeah.
You got a lot of consoles over here.
Yeah. That was the PS3.
How much you asking on the PS3?
For you, 50.
All right. Do you have any games or just consoles?
Just console right now.
All right.
And some is what there is they get the Blu-rays.
Oh, okay, you got some games. Some people could, you know, resell that if you want to sell a PS3. I think that one's a slim. You can probably get that. I think you could sell it for 100 some bucks. Me personally, I don't want to pay $50 to sell it for 100 if that. The ones that sell for 100 have to have the cords and stuff. His is console only. They have a controller with it too, so you're gonna have some other stuff with it, but that's pretty dope. dope. How much you asking on the console?
Give me 50 for that one.
All right, 50 bucks. Do you know if it works or anything?
I don't try it.
Oh, okay. I don't have enough cash. You guys have like a Venmo or like Cash App or anything like that?
Let me ask. I don't.
It's pretty dope. They want 50 on it. It's a backwards compatible this way.
He don't have any.
No Cash
Only
App?
cash.
I can go get cash real quick. Can you hold this for me for a second? I'll be right back. I gotta ask my dad for some cash.
Fine.
Thank you. How much you asking on the games, do you know?
5.
All right. Sealed almost, dang. It's almost pretty dope, man. It's actually sealed. The backwards compatible PS3. My last one didn't work. That one also could not work as well, but I'm so down to see if it works or not. I'm so down. If it doesn't work, that's why I'm still doing it. I could still sell it for money and resell, so it's not too big of a deal. All right, so they want 50 bucks for a game in the console. Not bad. Appreciate the deals, appreciate the deals. At first they said 50 bucks for a PS3. I was like, no, there's no way, right? I can't do that. But it's a backwards compatible PS3, which I think they're just charging the 50 bucks for a PS3. I'm not sure if they exactly know it's a backwards compatible, because if they did, I'm sure they would have charged 100 bucks or so, because this could be upwards of 250. I literally saw $300 or $400 sales, but I don't really know if that's like accurate as frick. I know I can get 250 bucks if it works. Like, I know I can. And if it doesn't work, we'll still make our money back. And this sealed game is pretty dope. I saw some pretty high sales of that, like upwards of like 80 to 90 bucks, honestly, but I probably won't get more than 30 for it. Guys, I don't really think I've shown our stuff that we're selling. We've sold, this is from yesterday. This is stuff pretty much we left from yesterday. We leave it to sell, and I guess he was able to leave it overnight, which is pretty dope, so we can just take it all. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to load it all back in, unfortunately, and not leave it with people, which we like to do. There's no trash people to pay and leave it though, so we're gonna have to, you know, actually take it and dump it probably. Cool things like this. Look at these little freaking flowers. They're pretty dope. This lady loved giraffes for some reason. She had us a million giraffe decorations. Here's some DVDs. Just a bunch of random things. Some nice blankets. Surprised that's not gone yet. Always a cheap furniture, you know. We got that furniture for the cheap. This is some of the items we're keeping before we do a big sale like we normally do. Like jack stands for some reason didn't go. Probably asking like freaking $5 on the box of them. All this stuff we're just keeping. Like dirt bike gear, some riding gear. I have no idea what exactly for, but I know it's got to be pretty expensive, right? So we're keeping that on the side, I guess. How much we asking on the PS3s?
20 bucks,
I'm on a cash. You got Cash App, man? Like Venmo? I can like Venmo. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Well, sell. You got some?
What's up?
Sell?
Yeah, I got sell too. I'm sorry for you guys if I buy a lot of the same things. I try and buy other things. Like this video, I don't know if you could tell, but I bought some other things to try and resell. I tried to, guys, but it's just I know how to resell these easily. 20 bucks a piece on this is a great deal. These can be 100 bucks a piece. This camo one, honestly, I never bought a camo one. Could be a bit more expensive than just a regular PS3, you know. But always take it like it's not a limited edition, but it's like a special one almost. Luckily, I just walked around again just for a second because he, like he said, I don't know if you heard, he just took those out. Like he would have sold them pretty fast. You see, when I bought them, there's like 3 different people that are about to probably buy them. So luckily, I just started walking around at the time that I did, or I would have missed out. How much are you asking on your Xbox?
I'll take 10 bucks. There's a cord to it, I think, in the bag.
All I have is $8 cash left. I've got some change too, but that's all I have in cash. Thank you, I appreciate it. Spent my money today. All right, well, we're done for, guys. We're out. We're going back. I can't even spend any more money unless somebody will take Cash App It's like a bigger sale. I don't want to just have the Cash App only for like a couple bucks. I don't know why. It was like not even 10 bucks. I feel like it's just a little much to have the Cash App, right? So I'm done, whatever. This is all I got. I bought a bunch more consoles again, you know. Not a surprise, but we'll take it. I spent 8 bucks on this one and hopefully it works. I'll probably sell it for 60, 50 bucks. Came back over real quick. I noticed he had a stack of cords. Luckily, he might actually have the cords for the console. That might make it a little bit easier for me. I have cords to test it, of course, but then I don't have them to sell with it, which, you know, it makes it a little bit easier if you have cords to sell with it. So hopefully, I'm fairly sure this is, because the PS4 and the PS3 are like the same one. Oh wait, no, actually this has this little thing on the side. I'm fairly sure it's this. I'm fairly sure. Free sale time. Time to give some stuff away for free. Time to just give it away before we have to load it all up. So we're out here, time to go home to the warehouse most likely, and obviously test those consoles for one and list it all. How much do you make?
We sold a little, about 1,000.
About that? Wow? Like after expenses and stuff?
I don't know exactly. Well, you can count that later.
I don't even care. So about 1,000 today. That's pretty good. Not bad. For a good day, it's about 9:30, so we're not even staying too late. And that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, you watched the whole thing. Thank you for making it this far. I really appreciate it. We actually just did a Whatnot show on my own a couple days ago. I think we sold like $1,800. Not bad with all this stuff you guys find at the flea market. Also, put a heart in the comments if you actually made it this far.